Hi Shamrocks, this is Mrs. Kolchuk. I'm just going to take a few moments to show you how you can use the library resources to help with your Christianity project. So to get started, we are going to go to the library's homepage. I am right now at the current Catholic Central homepage, so catholicentral.net. From here, I'm going to scroll down to the academic tab and then click on Learning Resources. If I scroll down the page, in this blue area, there is a link to the library resources, and this will take you to the library's webpage, and you guys can go ahead and just bookmark this site, and that way you won't have to go through all those steps again to get back to this page. So for this assignment, I'm actually going to have you get started on our ebook page. So these are actually a collection of ebooks available to you. It's not going to let you download the whole book, but rather it's going to search the collection for the topic you put in the search box here and pull up chapters of other books that relate to your topic. So you can start this pretty broadly and just type in Christianity. If you are doing this from home, it is going to ask you for a password, and that's just going to be Shamrock. And this is going to bring up all the articles dealing with Christianity. So you can get an overview of the topic from one of these first few titles, and you can narrow your topic down very easily in one of two ways. You can go ahead and click on subject, and you can see, like, say for example, I want to limit this to the Roman Empire because I want to see the relationship between Christianity and the Roman Empire. So I'm going to scroll through this list, and unfortunately I am not seeing the Roman Empire listed. That's not one that they've pulled out already for me. So I'm going to go ahead and do a search within. And this is going to tell the database that I want you to find ebook articles that deal with Christianity and the Roman Empire. So I can go ahead and click search, and now it's combined my two search terms. And instead of like 21,000 results, I have 2,000, which is still a lot. I can limit it down even further if I want. So if you want to search for Byzantine Empire, Charlemagne, you can do that. You can try the subject search again, and actually Roman Empire is listed here. So if I click on that, now I only have about 148 results to go through. So I can look at any of these. If I see one that I want to use, I can go ahead and click on it. If I sign in with my CC email address, I can go ahead and save this article right to my Google Drive. And since you guys are working in groups for this assignment, this is a great way to share resources with your group. So you can take a look at the article. There are sometimes images included within the article that you guys can then use in either your video or the poster that you're creating. If you need to put together a works cited page, your citation generator is right here at the top of the screen. So here is my MLA citation, and I can also send that to Google Drive. Very simple. Okay, so that's a basic overview of how to search the ebooks. I think this is a great place to get started, but it is by no means the only resource we have available to you. We do also have our databases. You can do a power search, and that's going to search all of these databases simultaneously. However, for this assignment, I would actually recommend scrolling to the bottom of the page and clicking on this database that's entitled Galen Context World History, because that's going to be a more definitive overview for Christianity, the Roman Empire, basically all of the topics you've been asked to research for this assignment. So once again, you can do a broad search I just started to type in Christianity and it's going to auto-populate for me. And within the database here, you can see all of the different types of information. So you can get articles from reference books, academic journals, biographical information. There's even some audio clips if you're interested in including anything like that, if you're doing a video. We have images so that you can include these in a video, or you can include them if you're making one of the posters. You can narrow your results down for this search as well in much of the same way that we did with our other ebook search. You can do a search within your results right here. So if I want to look at Christianity and the Roman Empire, I can go ahead and click in my topic there. So now I see those two search terms being combined, and I can see what information is going to come up for me. So you can either continue looking at this featured content, which is what automatically comes up in the database, or you can choose to just look at articles from reference books or go into primary sources, whichever of these content types you want to take a look at. Once again, you see the option to sign in with Google. If you sign in with your CC email address, you can save this information right to your Google Drive. So here's my link. I can save that. And here is my citation generator. So it makes it very easy to pull out the information you need. There is information in this database dealing with the Byzantine Empire, so you can search that specifically. There's also information on Charlemagne, so this will cover all of the topics that you will be researching, so it's a great resource for you. So that was a quick tutorial. I just wanted to show you guys what was available to you and how you could use that. My contact information is back on the main library homepage. So if it's not convenient for you guys to stop by the Learning Commons to ask a question, you can always send me an email and I can get back to you that way. I'm happy to help. So please reach out and use me as another resource.